So wake the neighbors, get the word out. So la 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 la, live out loud.
We're here at one of the grammar schools in the mountain area where we are. We're at Mount Apo, and we have, I don't know, maybe 200 kids, 300 kids, and we're going to share the gospel with these kids.
Okay.
You can start walking around General Sherman, and 2 minutes later you get back.
So kung imo siya libuton, 2 ka minuto.
And all you do is walk around the tree.
Yung buhaton nimo, tuyok lang.
It's a big tree.
Dako kay siya nga kahoy.
But you know what? God's even bigger.
Pero kabalo
Together in a real way that you can't imagine. But God will build your lives together by reading the Word of God together.
So, ingon niya, kung wala daw may mga Biblia.
Apan makabatul kas kinabuhi dayon. I hope you will be honest with me. This is a question that demands your honesty.
O kini mga tao matinulanon yun.
Jesus Christ did come and He did die for you on the cross.
O si Kristo miyagi nagpakamatay sa krus alang kanimo.
But are you willing?
O kung ikaw matinulanon,
Are you willing to give Him a chance?
o imo ba siyang hatagag panahon?